Hello everyone, today we are here to have a quick review of all these B.Ed semester 1 Punjab University Punjabi medium guest papers of semester 1. Let's have a quick review of all of them. All these are bestseller guest papers of Vinod Publications. It all have 100% sure success rate. All are as per the new syllabus, fully solved guest papers of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted educational publishing firm of India. So let's go one by one and have a quick review of all these guest papers. Let's start from philosophical basis of education. You can check this out. Syllabus is mentioned: unit 1 conceptual framework of education, then educational philosophy, then unit 3 facets of knowledge, unit 4 values. 4 units are given, and then everything is matter is discussed in detail. Not only that, the matter is highlighted, points are highlighted, questions are highlighted in both English and Punjabi language to make it comfortable for both kind of readers to understand it. If you are easy in English language, you can still buy this guest paper. In the back side of the guest paper, other things are mentioned of Vinod Publications. You can check them out. The price of guest paper is just rupees 99 rupees only. You can buy it on Flipkart and Amazon, or you can call them directly at 9218 219218, and it will be delivered to you within just 3-4 days only. You can also buy it from offline from any available bookstore nearby your location at 99 rupees only. Philosophical basis of education, highly recommendable guest paper. Another guest paper is growth and development of the learner. Again, semester 1 understanding growth and development, learning as a developing individual. Then unit 3 learner in socio-culture perspective, unit 4 group behavior implication for teachers, and then every topic, all the things, all units are discussed in detail, and with very important questions are given. Topics are highlighted very well, both English and Punjabi language, to make it comfortable both kind of readers. And topics are given so many pages with and so many sub points are given to each question and topic. Most important questions are also marked. So 99 rupees is the only price of this guest paper. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon also, or you can call them directly at 9218 219218, and it will be delivered to you within just 3-4 days only. You can buy this offline from any available bookstore nearby location also at 99 rupees only. Growth and development of learner, I highly recommend this guest paper. Again, third guest paper is techniques of teaching, semester 1 fully solved. Again, you can check this out also, like syllabus. First, teaching as a profession, then teaching terminology, then model of teaching, that's teaching as a communication. Matter is very well explained in detail. Very important questions are given. Topics are highlighted in both English and Punjabi, so that both kind of readers can understand it. Most important questions are also highlighted. Many pages are given to each particular topic. You can check this out. Points are highlighted. Many points are given up to each subtopic. 99 is again the price of this guest paper. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon. You can call, you can buy it online. You can also call them directly at 9218 219218 on Vinod Publications, and it will be delivered to you within just 3-4 days only. I highly recommend this guest paper. You can buy it offline from any available bookstore nearby your location at 99 rupees only. So techniques of teaching, another highly recommendable guest paper, must buy it. So another guest paper is education in contemporary India, fully solved guest paper. Again, semester 1 Punjabi medium, Punjab University. It's unit 1 Indian constitution and education, unit 2 Indian education system, overview and its development, unit 3 major initiatives in Indian education, unit 4 emerging issues in Indian education. Then all the things are mentioned and highlighted in detail. Then topics are highlighted in both English and Punjabi language to make it comfortable both kind of readers. Questions are highlighted. Many pages are given to each and particular topic. So guest paper price is just 99 rupees only. Everything is discussed in detail. Very reasonable price. Available on Flipkart and Amazon also. You can buy it online or call them directly at 9218 219218, and will be available to you within just 3-4 days only. Must buy this guest paper. I highly recommend it, or buy it from any available bookstore nearby your location at 99 rupees only. I highly recommend education in contemporary India also. So last guest paper of semester 1 is ICT skill development. This is the fifth guest paper. It's unit wise syllabus is mentioned. Unit 1 introduction to computer, then unit 2 elements of computer, then unit 3 operating system, then unit 4 internet and networking, and everything is discussed. You can check this on material discuss. Very important questions are given. Each topic which was there in unit is discussed and very well discussed in detail in English and in Punjabi language. Both these are highlighted in both languages, so that even the English readers can also buy this guest paper and easily understand it. Each topic is discussed. Many pages are given, with subtopics, points are given. Everything is very well given. 99 is the only price of this guest paper. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon also. You can call them directly at 9218 at Vinod Publications, and it will be delivered to you within just 3-4 days only. So these are the two methods. Another method is buy it offline from any available bookstore nearby location, whichever has B.Ed books, at 99 rupees only. So all these, I highly recommend. ICT skill development, must buy it. All these 5 guest papers are very good guest papers, very reasonable price. 99 rupees each of is the price of every guest paper. Things are highlighted in detail. Must buy all these guest papers. These are all bestsellers of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted educational publishing firm of India. So I highly recommend all these guest papers of semester 1 B.Ed, Punjab University, Punjabi medium. I highly recommend all of them. Must buy it. It will be definitely helpful to you in your exams. Thank you so much.